Good morning and welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. I thought I'd come and sit by the window. The light is absolutely gorgeous over here today. It's probably a little bit bright there, but it's a really lovely day out there. Cold, but really nice and bright. So yesterday, sad day, I was kicked out of Whamageddon. So I don't know if you have heard of Whamageddon or if you're playing along. So Whamageddon's basically from the 1st of December you have to see how long you can go before hearing Last Christmas. So I'm wearing my t-shirt in honour of the fact that I got kicked out. So when we were out and about yesterday, there was no Christmas songs. In fact, we even commented on the fact that there was no Christmas songs. Last Christmas comes on. And then no Christmas songs afterwards. I think somebody's been mean out there, frankly. Right, oh sorry, just kick the camera. Okay, so today's, oh it's right on the top. Today's advent calendar opening from Rainbow Puffs and, no, Unicorn Puffs and Rainbows. That's right. Okay, so nice big bag. Feels quite exciting. Let's have a look, see what's inside. I've been looking forward to the big bags. Oh, the big's always better. Sometimes it is. Oh, and I think it might be. Oh my goodness! Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I have a personalised crochet hook project bag for my little bits and bobs to go in. Excuse me, that is awesome. I love it. Thank you, Carly. That is so amazing. Oh, that's really kind of touched me. Thank you. Oh. Right, so the other reason I'm over here is this is the table I do my nails on. As I said yesterday, my nails are appalling. I'm too embarrassed to even show you. I've been trying to grow them because I wanted to take photographs for a project for next year. So I'm going to do my nails today and take those photographs before I end up having to decorate the house with Christmas decorations and decorate the ensuite of my husband when he's finished putting things up and drilling holes in walls and ceilings and whatever. So I'm going to do that today because I can guarantee I will probably break a nail, and I managed to get them all pretty much the same length, which is quite rare. There's usually one that breaks. So yeah, quite excited about this project. I've got 2 projects in my head that are sort of ready to go in the new year, so hopefully I can get them out as soon as I can. So I had a little thought last night about the Christmas projects I'm doing. So I'm not making any Christmas presents this year. For the first time ever, I'm not making any. And initially we weren't going to be having family coming, and now they're coming Boxing Day, which is lovely. But I hadn't planned for it, so I wasn't going to do the massive full-on Christmas. So I am now doing the massive full-on Christmas just on Boxing Day. So I'm thinking I need to be kind to myself. I'm starting to not enjoy doing the Father Christmas. I'm feeling pressure to do it, and it's such a lovely kit that I don't want that. So I'm thinking about putting it aside for a little while, finishing the garland, making sure I've got at least one of my projects finished, and then moving on to one of my whips, and I'll show you which one it is. So I started making this whip in my grumpy old bag, oh, 4, 5, maybe more years ago, and I love it. I just never got around to finishing it. So I did a little bit last year, and then time caught up. So it looks a bit weird at the moment. It looks like a roll mat. Looks like a mole rat. So I've started off the head. This is meant to be a Rudolph, in case you hadn't spotted his red nose. So I've done his muzzle there, and I think it's just a case of putting most of the bits together. So let's see, I've got 2 lots of antlers here that need to go on. I'm pretty sure I've done his eyes as well. Oh, an ear. I must have done 2 ears. I wouldn't have done 1, would I? Who knows? I've got 2 ears. So 2 ears, the antlers, and 2 eyes, and that's where all my post-it notes went. And I think that's it. Is there anything else in the bag other than that's just yarn in there and some fixings. So let me just see if I can find the picture. So this was in Crochet, Simply Crochet issue 51. I wonder when that came out. Do they actually put the publishing date on them? I don't think they do. I haven't got my glasses on, I can't read that small. Anyway, so this project, here we go. So this is what he should look like. And I think it's taken from the taxidermy book. Let me just see. Vanessa Moon. I think I've actually got the book. Hold on, let me go and see if I can find it. Okay, so this is Animal Heads, Trophy Heads to Crochet, Vanessa Moonsey, I think it is. So she has the stag head, but obviously they've changed a little bit of it and changed the bit on his nose to red. But there's some lovely patterns in here. I'll do a proper book review on this one. I mean, obviously I'm going to have to make that at some point, aren't I? Some really, really nice ones in here, and I think I bought this after starting the pattern thinking, oh, I really like that idea. So yeah, I think what I'd like to do is actually finish him off, so then I'll have the Advent garland and Rudolph finished, and then I can just, you know, after Christmas maybe finish off Father Christmas. I don't want him to end up being a project that never gets finished. But equally, I think if I carry on at the moment, I'm not going to get anything finished, and I feel like I need to tick some things off and accomplish something. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I put Father Christmas on hold and do Rudolph? I'm feeling it at the moment. Anyway, so I need to crack on and do these lovely nails and get my photos done. Right, see you in a bit. So that's my nails done. So I think that's me done for today. It's nearly 3:30, so I want to edit this video before my son gets back from school. So yeah, it's an interesting day today, just taking some photos, taking some very short videos for a little project that I have coming up. We've done a little bit of work in the ensuite. Well, I've done a bit of work. My husband's done loads of work in the ensuite. So that's that. Oh, I haven't managed to do both of them yet, but I managed to get, oh, that's rubbish light, Karen. Stand in the way of the light. There we go. So I've managed to get one of my bells finished from my advent calendar, so I'll do the other one tonight. So as I said before, let me know in the comments below, do you think I should just like park the Father Christmas for now. I feel bad doing it because I sort of said I would, but I hadn't realised quite how epic it was. Plus Vlogmas, plus the Advent calendar, plus life. So I know which way I'm leaning, but I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you're doing it yourself, how are you finding it? Are you getting on with it? Are you struggling with anything? If there's anything that I can help with, the blog is very good, but maybe you want some video help or something with that, then just let me know and I might be able to point you in the right direction. And so I'm going to sign off for now, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. It's Saturday tomorrow. I am having my first lie-in and I don't know how long tomorrow, so it won't be an early start. I'm not sure what my plans are for tomorrow being Saturday. I don't really think I want to do any work, but then again Christmas is coming and I'm going to be taking time off, so maybe I want to get caught up. Might see what the weather's like, see what my son wants to do tomorrow. He'll probably just want to chill out because he's had a hard term, but we'll let him see how it goes. So he had his school report yesterday, so he did really well in his first term in new school, new area, and changing over to secondary school, so really chuffed with him for that. So we may be popping out a little later for a celebratory meal. So yeah, so I'm going to sign off now and I will see you tomorrow for day 11 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!